In this video, I will show you how you can activate RAM Plus on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Memory. Now on this page, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for RAM Plus. Now just tap on it, and from here just enable the toggle for RAM Plus. Now it will ask you how much virtual RAM you want to increase. You have the option from 2 GB all the way to 8 GB. Now for example, I'll select 6 GB. Now after you select the amount of virtual RAM which you want to create, then tap on OK and select Restart. Now after your phone finishes restarting, now if you go to your home screen, now let's go back to the settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on Device Care. Over here, just tap on Memory. And under the Memory section, if we go back and if we check RAM Plus, as you can see, we have successfully increased the RAM of our Samsung phone by 6 GB. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.